So today I'll be dyeing my hair in Clairol's Textures and Tones 5G light golden brown. Hey guys, I got my old blouse on, and my old shirt at least, and my old towel, and I am ready to work. I will be using the base cream to base my hairline and my scalp so that I don't get no burns or anything, because I was scratching my hair before and I know it's probably irritated. So it's best to base your hairline and your scalp. Ensure I got my gloves on. So yeah, first I will use the number 1 and number 2 mixture in the box, and I'll pour it in and mix it together. Now I shake that up. You need to shake it and beat it and get all that white and it all liquid and nothing stuck to the bottom. So you knock it. I knock it at the bottom. Yeah, you need to get that all cleared out. I knock it to make it all dissolve. So what I do, because my hair is not that long, is to rub it in. If my hair was a bit longer, I would have parted it in 4 and such. But because my TWA is only 2 months old, I just spray it in and just rub it in with my fingers to cover all the areas that need to be covered. Yep, so when I'm doing this, I need to ensure that the dye is spread all over into my hair. For the back part, I usually spray the dye in my hands and then rub it in, because I don't want to spray it from the bottle and it probably catches my skin or anything, so I find that a bit better to do. Next, I ensure that I get even my hairlines behind my ears and everything, so I'm ensuring that nowhere is left untouched. Now I rub that baby in and ensure that my scalp and everything gets all covered with my dye. Now I put my steam cap on and I set my timer to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is as much as I need. I'm back. It's been 30 minutes and I am ready to wash that baby out. I'll wash it out with my Cream of Nature shampoo and my Pantene that came into the kit. So guys, this is the finished product, and I am just happy at how it turned out. I did not want anything too bright, so yeah, I'm pretty happy. I like the shade, so I'll show pictures at the end. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm pretty happy. See ya.